With Lemoine's machine head simulation, you get a realistic view of what to expect when your program runs on the machine. Easily adjust the machine head or tool angle on the spot with our dynamic 3+2 reference creation, giving you even more control over your setup. Run a full simulation to verify that your tool path follows the exact orientation planned by the programmer. Identify any misalignments, unwanted tool tilts, or potential collisions before sending G-code to the machine, ensuring a smooth and error-free execution. Choose from multiple head configurations and set your rotational axis range to match your specific machine tool. Have any questions? Reach out to us anytime at info@teamlemoine.com.